Hello students, this is Pramod Jadhav from Silver Green English School, Vidyanagari. Today we are going to study English for class 10th. From the Diary of Annie Frank is the name of the chapter. It is chapter number 4 in your book, that is First Flight, written by Anne Frank. Here students, I have divided this chapter in two parts. So here first part is there where I will share with you what are the feelings of Annie Frank. Here some part is there, that is we can also say about Anne Frank, and it can be said as an introduction. So let's see what is about Anne Frank. Anne Frank, 12th June 1929, February or March 1945, was a German born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and four friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands. Now, see here, Anne Frank, 12 June 1929 means she is born on 12th June 1929 and was died on, you can say, not exactly date is given here, but probably February or March 1945, which is the end of the Second World War. Also was a German. Now Anne Frank was a German born Jewish girl who wrote while in hiding with her family and four friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. Now, see here the situation is already of the Second World War, and she had written this diary when she was hiding with her family and with four friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into Netherlands. Now see, when Nazi occupied means जब नाजियों ने जर्मन के ऊपर कब्जा कर लिया, उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ, German is what? It is a country. So at that time, these people went to where? They went to Netherlands. Okay, and there also Germany. Okay, these Nazis occupied. They extended their occupation. मतलब उन्होंने उनका कब्जा वहाँ पे भी कर लिया. उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ, वो लोग ट्रैप्ड हो गए. ट्रैप हो गए मतलब वो लोग वहाँ पे फंस गए. ठीक है. Next, as persecutions against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942 in hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building. After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp system where Annie died of typhus in Bergen Belsen within days of her sister Margot Frank, her father Otto, the only survivor of the group. Now see, as persecution against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942. Now, due to this वर्ल्ड वॉर, इस वर्ल्ड वॉर के वजह से क्या हुआ था कि ये जो लोग हैं, ये जो एन फ्रैंक की फैमिली है, वो छिप रही थी और ऑलमोस्ट 2 ईयर दे वर हाइडिंग. And after that, what happened? After 2 years in hiding, the group was betrayed and transported to the concentration camp. और उसके बाद में उस ग्रुप को, मीन्स जिस ग्रुप में एनी फ्रैंक, उसकी फैमिली और उसके जो फ्रेंड्स थे, वो ग्रुप को क्या हुआ, transported to the concentration camp system. So during the World War II there was the system of concentration camp. So in that they were shifted, where Annie died of typhus in Bergen Belsen within days of her sister Margot Frank. Her father Otto the only survivor of the group. और उस कंसंट्रेशन कैंप में एनी और उसकी सिस्टर, बड़ी सिस्टर, दोनों का देहांत हो गया, और उनकी फैमिली में से ओनली पर्सन वाज दैट ऑटो, मीन्स हर फादर वाज survived. Okay. After the war ended, he returned to Amsterdam and found that her diary had been saved. Convinced that it was a unique record, he took action to have it published in English under the name The Diary of Young Girl. The diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday and chronicles the events of her life from 12th June 1942 until its final entry of 1st August 1944. Now see. सो व्हेन हर फादर वॉज सर्वाइव, मीन्स उसके जब एक उनके जो फादर थे वो सर्वाइव हुए, मतलब वो जीवित बचे, तो वो जब कंसंट्रेशन कैंप से जब बाहर निकले और जब वर्ल्ड वॉर ख़त्म हो गया, उसके बाद में जब वो एम्स्टरडेम रिटर्न आए, तो उन्होंने क्या देखा, उन्होंने देखा कि देयर वाज ए डायरी एंड ही रेड दैट डायरी एंड आफ्टर दैट he took convinced it to publish, okay, in English, because it was a unique record, and 2 years span was discussed in the filling of Anne Frank, and that was the published with the name The Diary of a Young Girl. Okay, The Diary of a Young Girl, that was the name under which in English it was published. Okay, now next it was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. There have also been several films, television, and theatrical productions, and even an opera based on the diary. Described as the work of a mature and insightful mind, the diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupation, and Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victims. Now see, अगर हम सोचे तो ये डायरी लिखी गई थी ओरिजिनली डच लैंग्वेज में. ओके, नाउ सी, इट्स ओरिजिनल डच, मीन्स डच लैंग्वेज में लिखी गई थी, एंड देन when it was published in many languages and become the world's most widely read books, means पूरे विश्व में सबसे ज़्यादा पढ़ी गई बुक की यादी में इसका समावेश हो गया, और नंबर 1 पे ये उस वक्त चलने लगी. Why it was having so importance? Because it had covered the feelings of World War in a young, mature and insightful mind. Okay, and you can see here it was the examination of daily life under Nazi occupation. Okay, that's why it was so much famous. Annie Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victims. Now see what is here. Here see on her diary writing there were many television programs, films, theatrical productions means dramas and okay many things. Even it was in opera. Opera is the also another theater was there. So many performances were done on her diary. So in this way she became renowned and discussed character of the massacre or of a group of people who were died, who were the victims in the second world war. Okay, now see next what is there. Now from here your lesson is going to start. So till this we came to know about the background of the this lesson and about the writer, about the situation of the lesson. Now we can see from here a lesson. Now I am reading for you. Writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. Now here me, me means Annie Frank. Okay, so Anne Frank is here, me. So what she is telling? She is telling writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. It is very strange experience. Someone means anybody is there, but for her it was strange experience. अजीब सा उसको एक experience रहा है, अजीब सा अनुभव रहा है. Not only because I have never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be will be interested in the musing of a 13-year-old school girl. Now see उनको क्यों ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो उनका अजीब एक्सपीरियंस है, उनकी क्या फीलिंग्स है, वो ऐसा सोचते हैं कि नॉट ओनली बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर रिटन एनीथिंग बिफोर. जो मेरी जो डायरीज है उसके बारे में उनकी क्या फीलिंग है. उनकी जो डायरी उन्होंने लिखी है तो वो ऐसा कहती है कि मेरी जो डायरी है वो डायरी मैंने पहले कभी कुछ लिखा नहीं है, इसके वजह से नहीं. बिकॉज इट सीम्स टू मी दैट उनको ऐसा लगता है कि लेटर ऑन नाइदर आई नॉर एनी वन एल्स विल बी इंटरेस्टेड इन द म्यूजिंग्स ऑफ अ 13-year-old school girl. Now musings, what is the meaning of musings? A period of reflection or thoughts. So who will be interested in the thoughts of 13-year-old girl? Even she herself will not be interested, and that's why she is telling that she is feeling something strange. Oh well, it doesn't matter. I feel like writing and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. Now see what is she is telling here. She is saying no problem. Okay, it doesn't matter whatever is there. I feel like writing. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे लिखना चाहिए. And I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. Now here to get, okay, to get all things off my chest means to express something that has been worrying you and that you have wanted to say. मतलब कुछ ऐसा आपके छाती पर बोझ बन के बना हुआ है, उसको आप हल्का करना चाहते हो. सो दैट्स वाई शी इज टेलिंग that something is that I want to share. I want to share. So that's why that is I am writing here. So I feel that I will be getting all kinds of things off my chest. Now next, paper has more patience than people. It is very important sentence here. Paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. Now, what she is telling, paper has more patience than people, because paper cannot be going to oppose you, cannot be going to against you. Whatever you will write, it is always supportive than the people. People will be obstacle because people may be impatient, but paper is having very patience, and that's why she has decided to write on the paper of her feelings instead of to share her feelings with her friends or some other people. And that's why she's telling, I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed. Why she is feeling depressed? Because she was hiding along with her family and with her friends, and that's why she was feeling depressed. What is the meaning of depressed? uh, uh, in a state of unhappiness, and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands. Okay, so वो एक सोच में अपने जो चिन्ह है उसके उसको अपने हाथों में लेकर वो कुछ सोच रही है बैठे बैठे. And she is feeling boredom and listless. Listless means lacking energy or enthusiasm. और वॉन्डरिंग मतलब सोच रही है वेदर टू स्टे इन और गो आउट, मैं घर में रुकूं या बाहर जाऊं. ओके, सो लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट. आई फाइनली स्टेड वेयर आई वॉज ब्रूडिंग. Yes, paper does have more patience, and since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stiff backed notebook, grandly referred to as a diary, unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit of difference. Now, see, brooding means engaged in a deep thought that makes one sad, angry, and worried. Stiff backed means here a cover which bind with a diary, grandly in a proud manner. So आगे वो ये कहती है कि I finally stayed where I was and I have decided to stay where I was brooding. Brooding means after the engaging in deep thought, okay, which was made her worried, made her sad. And then she is telling what? Yes, she found that paper does have more patience, and since I am not planning, वो आगे यूं कहते हैं कि आई एम नॉट प्लानिंग टू लेट एनीवन एल्स रीड दिस टिप बैक्ड नोटबुक. सो शी इज़ हैविंग प्लानिंग, उसके मन में ऐसा एक प्लानिंग है कि वो ऐसा कहती है कि मुझे मेरा ऐसा कोई भी प्लान नहीं है कि मेरी जो ये डायरी है कोई पढ़े. स्टिफ बैक्ड जो एक धागे से एक बंधी हुई है उसकी बैक और उसको कवर्ड की है जैसे कि नोटबुक. एंड हाउ इज इट इन अ हाउ शी इज टेलिंग, शी इज रेफरिंग ऑल दिस इन अ ग्रैंडली मीन्स इन अ प्राउड मैनर टू एज अ डायरी. डायरी के बारे में उसको अब प्राउड मैनर फीलिंग हो रही है. अनलेस आई शुड एवर फाइंड अ रियल फ्रेंड, एंड जब तक मुझे रियल फ्रेंड नहीं मिलता है, इट प्रोबेबली वोंट मेक अ बिट ऑफ डिफरेंस, और अब कोई इसका मतलब उसका कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं होगा, मतलब ऐसा उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। क्यों? क्योंकि राइट नाउ डायरी इज हैविंग more patience because she has decided to write, and that's why she found that paper has more patience than the any other, and that's why she has decided to share her feelings in a writing diary. Now let's see next what is there. Now I'm back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. I don't have a friend. और वो आगे यूँ कहती है कि अब उन्होंने ऐसा सोचा है अब के वो आगे डायरी रखेगी, डायरी में अपने सारे जो फीलिंग्स है वो लिखेगी। एंड क्योंकि उनके साथ में उनके पास में ऐसे कोई भी फ्रेंड नहीं है जिनके साथ वो अपनी फीलिंग शेयर कर सकती है। सो शी हैज़ गिवन फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी फर्स्ट प्लेस टू द डायरी। नाउ नेक्स्ट, let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world, and I am not. I have loving parents and a 16-year-old girl, and there are about 30 people I can call friends. I have a family, loving aunt, aunts, and a good home. Now see what she is telling. She is telling that लोग ऐसा सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं एक अकेली लड़की हूँ, तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। Since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world, कि ऐसा कोई भी मान नहीं सकता है, क्योंकि ये जो 13 साल की जो लड़की है वो अकेली है, क्योंकि आई एम नॉट अलोन, I have loving parents and a 16-year-old sister, and there are about 30 people I can call friends. तो मेरे पास में मेरे पेरेंट्स है, मेरे बड़ी सिस्टर है, इवन 30 ऐसे जो लोग हैं जिनको मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स कह सकती हूँ। आई हैव लविंग फैमिली, लविंग ऑन्ट्स ऑन एंड अ गुड होम। सो अगर लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि मैं अकेली हूँ, तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। नेक्स्ट, नो वन सॉरी नो ऑन द surface I seem to have everything except my one true friend. All I think about when I am with friends in having a good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. अब वो आगे यूँ कहते हैं कि नहीं, ऑन द सरफेस आई सीम टू हैव एवरीथिंग, तो सबको ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे पास सब कुछ है एक्सेप्ट माई वन ट्रू फ्रेंड। ओके, तो मेरे पास सब कुछ है लेकिन एक सच्चा मित्र नहीं है। ऑल आई थिंक अबाउट वेन आई एम विथ फ्रेंड्स इज हैविंग अ गुड टाइम, और सबको ऐसा लगता है कि जब मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ होती हूँ तो मेरे पास मेरा गुड टाइम है, बहुत अच्छा टाइम है। आई कांट ब्रिंग माई सेल्फ टू टॉक अबाउट एनी थिंग बट ऑर्डिनरी एवरीडे थिंग। और वो आगे यूँ कहती है कि आई कांट ब्रिंग माई सेल्फ टू टॉक अबाउट एनी थिंग, मैं किसी चीज़ के बारे में नहीं डिस्कस करती हूँ, और ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि जो कुछ नयापन है, बट एवरी डे ऑर्डिनरी, जो ऑर्डिनरी चीज़ें हैं वो मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ अपने फैमिली में करती रहती हूँ। वी डोंट सीम टू बी एबल टू गेट एनी क्लोजर एंड दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम। मे बी इट्स माई फॉल्ट दैट वी डोंट confide in each other. In any case, that's just how things are, and unfortunately, they are not liable to change. This is why I have started. द डायरी। और यहाँ पर वो रीज़न दे रही है, यहाँ पर वो अपना रीज़न बता रही है कि क्यों उन्होंने डायरी लिखना शुरू किया। क्योंकि वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ में थी, दोस्तों के साथ में जो यूजुअल जो रोज मरोज की जो चीज़ें होती थी वो करती थी, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी कुछ नहीं था। जो वो अपनी जो फीलिंग्स है वो उनके साथ में शेयर नहीं कर पाती थी, और देयर इज नो क्लोजनेस अमंग द फ्रेंड्स, एंड दैट वाज द प्रॉब्लम फॉर हर। सो वो आगे यूँ कहते हैं शायद इट्स माई फॉल्ट, और वो यूँ भी वो कहना चाहती कि ये मेरी गलती है शायद। वी डोंट कन्फाइन, कन्फाइन मीन्स शेयर सीक्रेट विद समवन, और हम लोग क्या करते थे, एक दूसरे के साथ में अपने जो सीक्रेट्स है वो शेयर नहीं करते थे। इन एनी केस दैट्स जस्ट हाउ थिंग्स आर, एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली दे आर नॉट लायबल टू चेंज। और जो भी चीज़ें थी हमारे इर्द गिर्द, जो सच्चाई थी, उसको हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते थे, क्योंकि दैट्स वाई आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू डिस्कस विथ them all the things, all the secret things. This is why I have started the diary, और उसी की वजह से उन्होंने डायरी लिखना शुरू किया। To enhance the image of this long waited friend in my imagination, I don't want to jot down the facts in the diary the way most people would do, but I want the diary to be my friend, and I am going to call this friend Kitty. Now see, अब धीरे धीरे वो अपनी डायरी के में लिखना शुरू करती है। वो डायरी को डायरी न समझकर एक अपनी फ्रेंड मानती है, और उसके लिए वो यूँ कहती है कि टू एनहांस द इमेज ऑफ दिस लॉन्ग वेटेड फ्रेंड। हु इज़ द लॉन्ग वेटेड फ्रेंड? डायरी इन माई इमेजिनेशन। हुज इमेजिनेशन? एन फ्रैंक्स की इमेजिनेशन में। आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू जोट डाउन द फैक्ट्स, और वो यूँ कहती है कि जैसे जो लोग डायरी में फैक्ट्स लिखते हैं उस तरह से मैं फैक्ट्स लिखना नहीं चाहती हूँ मेरी डायरी में, जैसे हर हर कोई लिखता है। बट आई वॉन्ट द डायरी टू बी माई फ्रेंड, और मैं अपनी डायरी को अपने मित्र की तरह ट्रीट करना चाहती हूँ, मैं अपनी डायरी के साथ में फ्रेंडशिप करना चाहती हूँ। सो दैट्स वाई I will, whatever I will share in a friendly manner, I will share, and I am not going, sorry, I am going to call this friend Kitty, और उन्होंने उस डायरी का नाम किट्टी रखा। So thank you students. We will continue the next part in the next lesson.